This past Christmas, I also went to a World Market and I got this another Christmas selection of Nestle products. I got Aero bars and two kinds of Aero bars, a Yorkie bar, 2 kinds of KitKat bars, and fruit pastilles. So let me take all this out. So let's try the Yorkie bar first. So it comes with little squares. Basically a milk chocolate bar. Chunky milk chocolate. Milk chocolate tastes different in other countries than it does here, especially the UK. I think it's a little better than our chocolate. Well, just regular chocolate. Okay, KitKat. KitKat. Wafer cookie with chocolate around it. The chocolate does taste different than our KitKats. So this is a chunky KitKat bar. It's probably like 4 times the width at least. Yeah, it's a single bar, and then this is the normal size. Basically a bigger version of the normal KitKat bar. This is, I think, the regular Aero bar, the original. It's got little oops, kind of rounded sections. Oh. So Aero has these like air pockets in their chocolate. Makes it easier to you know, chew. Makes it lighter. That one's good too. And then, well, the fruit pastilles. Pastilles? I'm not sure. It says vegan friendly. Made by Roundtree, or Roundtree's the brand name, I guess. Just take one out. So, it's like a fruit. Oh, it is gummy. So it's like a soft gummy with like sugar crystals around it. Well, this one does taste like orange. Oh, they're all orange in there. So this is an Aero Peppermint. I'm gonna swallow the last of them. So it is like a green on the inside, and you can see the bubbles. That one is got a good peppermint taste to it. Peppermint and chocolate. So I think of all of these, I think my favorite is the probably the Aero Peppermint. It's a little different. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So if you ever want to try any of these, you can go to World Market. A lot of times they'll have like at least the Aero bars, maybe even the Yorkies. They'll have them like separately throughout the year. And then during Christmas time, Nestle tends to bring out a packet like this where you can sample the different, some of the different candies they make. So anyways, I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.